Warning, the following video has a target audience of one person, Mrs. Nipple. It is actually an assignment for her calculus class. She should take it as the work of Adam Bell and Chris Sager.
The calculus is a branch of mathematics used primarily to assist in the scientific study of physics. Two men, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibnitz and Sir Isaac Newton, simultaneously, yet independently discovered this field. Sir Isaac Newton seems to get most recognition for the work, which is why my colleagues and I have set out to find more information about Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz.
Gottfried Leibniz was the head of a society of alchemists, attaining this position because he wrote a letter of such complexity that it was decided that he had to attain some sort of position in the society.
Leibniz had a theory that our world was the seventh most perfect world, being preceded by 5 worlds made of chocolate and 1 being without Sir Isaac Newton.
Gottfried Leibniz was of German descent, much like the popular German gangster rapper Flair.
Ich bin kein Gangster, ich tu nur was ein Gangster tut. Meine Fresse in die News, ster's mit all den Ungekus. Ich bin kein Gangster, ich tu nur was ein Gangster tut. Darum mach ich diesen Ruf als Gangster-Rapper.
Leibniz Keks, a popular brand of cookie in Germany, has no relation to Gottfried Leibniz with the exception that they named it after him, for whatever the reason. Leibniz Keks come in multiple flavors, including Choco Leibniz.
Sir Gottfried Leibniz has been documented to have had an excellent mane of hair, and an example of the high esteem in which he held the fashions of the day.
Leibniz died in 1716, the same year as Giovanni Conti.
Leibniz in mathematics is notable for the Entscheidungsproblem, which in German, appropriately, means the decision problem, proposed by David Hilbert in 1928. This problem asked for an algorithm that, when confronted with any mathematical statement, could provide a true or false answer, regardless of any knowledge on the human element of the program. An algorithm of this complexity would have astronomical worth, as it could prove the validity of, let's say, Riemann's hypothesis, with a true or false answer, without any proof or disproof on the human part.
Gottfried Leibniz was perhaps the first major European intellect to take a close interest in Chinese civilization. He concluded that Europeans could learn from the Confucian ethical tradition. He mulled over the possibility that the Chinese characters were an unwitting form of his universal characteristic. He noted from fascination how the I Ching hexagrams correspond to the binary numbers from 0 to 111111, and concluded that this mapping was evidence of major Chinese accomplishments in the sort of philosophical mathematics he admired.
Despite his incredible fashion sense, Leibniz never married.
That concludes our research of Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Hope you learned a lot like we did. Thanks.